वो ये है कि यू नो योर करियर इज 2 to 3 years ओल्ड राइट नाउ. आपने शुरू किया ऑफ कोर्स अम्मी के साथ, और
जी
फिर आपका लेकिन जो ब्रेक थ्रू था दैट वाज यकीन का सफ़र. फिल्म भी कर ली, हैमलेट भी कर लिया, थिएटर भी कर लिया. इट्स बीन अ वेरी डाइवर्स करियर ग्रोथ. All of your characters have a slightly dark streak, whether it's Saad in Parvaz Janoon or Saad in Ehde Wafa, or whether it's Amanullah. Even Dr. Asfandyar did have a bit of an anger problem. सिर्फ मेरे ख्याल है समी का कैरेक्टर ऐसा था जो कि बहुत ही हैप्पी था, वो बेचारा पे
हाँ
मार ही जाता
या
है, उसको मार ही देते हैं 2-3 एपिसोड्स में. So does that in any way resonate with who Ahad Raza Mir really is?
आई थिंक आहद अज़मी की बात नहीं, आई थिंक इट्स इंसान होने की बात है. आई
Hmm.
थिंक सबका एक डार्क शेड होता है एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स अ कैरेक्टर रियल. ऑब्वियसली मेरा भी एक थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन होता है एक हर कैरेक्टर के साथ, और उस कैरेक्टर में हल्का सा आहद अज़मी तो होता है, नो मैटर व्हाट. वो तो अवॉइड हो नहीं सकता. अगर कोई और एक्टर करता तो उसमें भी दे वुड हैव देयर ओन देयर ओन इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ दोस कैरेक्टर्स.
Right.
लेकिन मेरे लिए आई थिंक हर कैरेक्टर जो है उसके उसका एक अच्छा साइड है और डार्क साइड भी होता है. तो वो आई थिंक दोनों जो है ना, यू हैव टू show those in whatever project you're doing, whether it be a film, TV, or theater. But it's a good point that a lot of my roles do have that bit of that darkness to them. But I
To
think that's
them.
what makes them human.
And that's what makes them real, perhaps.
Yeah,
Real, perhaps.
at least
Great.
that's what कोशिश तो ये करता हूँ.
कोशिश है. तो अब शुरू करते हैं विद अहदे वफा. इट्स अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स अ गोइंग रियली वेल, गेटिंग ग्रेट रिव्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग. आपका कैरेक्टर इंसिडेंटली इसमें साद और फिर परवाज़ जुनून भी साथ था, तो
Right,
ये
right.
बड़ा एक क्यूट इंस्टेंस है. हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट, विद ऑल द ड्रिल्स एंड द शूटिंग एंड द सेट्स, एंड काफ़ी देर इसकी शूटिंग चलती रही है,
Right.
अभी तक चल रही है. एंड यू मेंशन्ड बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग दैट it was a challenge, like physical challenge versus the emotional psychological challenge of
Right.
ये दिल मेरा.
Edifa is special in the two scenarios you just described. कि एक physical demand भी था role का, in which all the drills you're seeing, all the physical action जो आप serial में देख रहे हैं, it's all real. कोई stunt double तो नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
तो कोशिश भी ये थी कि सब कुछ real ही नजर आए. तो obviously वो एक physically demanding role तो था, but उस on the other end मुझे लगता है to represent our armed forces is not a, I mean, I'm not trying to say, it's not a small task.
Yeah.
And that's not because, it's especially because the way I can describe it is, मेरे एक colleague हैं, जिन्होंने एक दफ़ा बोला था कि हमारे जो armed forces के जो लोग हैं, वो सुपर हीरोज नहीं हैं. They're regular people, they have lives, उनकी भी
Right.
घर पे फैमिलीज होती हैं, ये सारी बातें होती हैं. एंड आई रियलाइज बाय डूइंग दिस, एंड ये जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था स्पेशली इन पीएमए, आई वुड डिसएग्री विद हिम. आई वोंट कोट हु इट वाज, बट द थिंग इज मैं इसलिए डिसएग्री करता हूँ कि आफ्टर इंटरैक्टिंग विद दीज बॉयज, उनके साथ जब मैं बात की, उनको अंडरस्टैंड किया कि वो यहाँ क्यों हैं, आई रियलाइज कि नो, दे आर सुपर ह्यूमन. दे उनके अंदर एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमारे अंदर नहीं है. एंड दैट वन थिंग इज, आई मीन दैट I can't understand it, which is they are willing to give their lives.
Right.
That I think in itself, that's ये एक superhuman quality ही है.
Absolutely.
अब आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि आपने अपनी जान देनी, it's a very difficult thing for me to, मैं तो comprehend भी नहीं कर सकता. And you have all these young men who feel that they have this love inside them for their nation, for their people,
Yeah.
के वो जान दे सकते हैं. And that's the one thing, उसको represent करना, उसको play करना is a very difficult thing for any actor, I think, to actually realize कि भाई they're ready to do that. And I think that is a superhuman quality. Especially, I mean, in the way they think, उनकी सोच ऐसे कि they are willing to do it. That is superhuman.
Absolutely. While shooting, I mean, कुछ तो we understand के and recognize के actors कौन-कौन हैं. How many real sort of cadets at PMA did you actually? बाकी तो सारे they're real people, as I would say. I would hate to not call you a real person as well, but they're the real
They're
deal.
actual cadets.
They're actual cadets.
Yeah.
तो कितनी bonding हुई आपकी? Were the
Bonding
stories
हुई, और
that were
actually
inspirational?
खास तौर पे I have to admit, bonding उन्होंने करवाई.
अच्छा.
Because I feel like जब मैं काम कर रहा होता हूँ तो I'm a little, I get into the role, या मैं distance इसलिए भी रखता हूँ क्योंकि फिर मेरी जब connection हो जाती है तो I hate leaving that connection. You know, when you create friendships and relationships with people, तो वो आप you hate leaving that. और eventually मुझे पता है I won't be staying in PMA.
Right.
So I have to leave. तो मैंने जरा distance रखी थी. And then I remember one day, I won't say who it was, it's one of the boys who's an actual cadet. वो कहता है कि यार आप इतना distance क्यों रखते हैं हमारे साथ? I said, I explained the reason why.
हाँ
तो उन्होंने बोला कि यार वो तो होता रहेगा आपके साथ, but ये जो टाइम है आप you know we want to get to know you and I know I feel you want to get to know us. तो वो जरा बैरियर उन्होंने ही तोड़ा था.
अच्छा
So it was very nice. वो बहुत welcoming थे. Honestly, they're the toughest people I've ever met. They're amazing. They're disciplined, strict, but their hearts are so big. Like I mean, honestly, उन्होंने welcome किया था. They asked me कि यार involve yourself. So you know, I don't think my character is it's just a reflection of them and the kindness and love that they showed me.
and
So I was very lucky.
there was no awkwardness or there was
No,
no sort
not
of
at all. Not at all. Great guys. And everybody there was great. Everybody there they facilitated us so well. They were kind to us. They helped me in any way that they could. Minus some of the very aggressive scenes that we had to do. अभी आगे जाके आप एक boxing match भी देखेंगे.
अच्छा
So I won't say too much about that, but you know that was real stuff that I had to do, and you know when they need to be tough, they're tough. They don't mess around that way.
They don't mess around that way. Especially your roommate Gulzar, of course. उनके साथ तो खास ही है. And he's a new character. लोग बड़ा पसंद कर रहे
And
हैं.
a very good actor.
Very good actor. तो उनके साथ कैसे आपकी equation बनी?
It was interesting.
I mean, tell me something about it. It's something that we can sort of, you know.
So what I appreciate about that in regards to the story is कि आप ये दो लोग जो हैं जो बिल्कुल they live in the same country but they're from different worlds.
Yes.
And seeing them become one basically. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसमें आपको उनमें कोई ऐसा खास फर्क नहीं नजर आएगा by the end of it. They are both at an even playing field. That's something I appreciate about the script.
Absolutely. Or is he actually like that? जिस टाइम वो नजर आते हैं उनके गुलजार
In some sense, I think he's from Naunsar Sharif, where the character is from. So he played it very, very realistically, and it was great fun shooting with him.
अच्छा बहुत लोगों को ऐदे वफा को लेके confusion होती है that is it actually about these four boys and their stories and their lives, or will the actual patriotic element really kick in? I mean बहुत बड़ा डर सबको यही है कि साहत का character तो शहीद हो जाएगा एंड तक और वहां तक लेके जाएंगे, but that seems like a very long journey to undertake. तो और अभी तक shooting भी चल रही है. Is the story evolving as we go?
The story will be evolving. I can't say too much about it, but
of course.
I think the you know when you talk about patriotism and is it about these four boys? Is it about patriotism? It's actually about on a deeper level. It's about आप ये देखेंगे कि जो चार लड़के हैं they go their separate ways. ठीक है, वो एक वहाँ चला जाता है, एक यहाँ चला. वो actually आप as the story evolves आप देखेंगे कि वो सब साथ क्यों आएंगे. Why will they all come back together? What is the purpose behind it? तो वो patriotism का element जो है वो है इतनी जगह, you know, with PMA and all these things happening, वो अपनी जगह है. But बाद में आपको पता चलेगा कि असल में इसकी ये patriotism कहाँ से आ रही है.
अच्छा, so another question that we all raise now and then is that ISPR बहुत projects में involved है अब. Television dramas भी हैं, films भी हैं, etc. etc. So two questions. एक तो how do you feel about that? Because of course it's at the end of the day it's great for patriotism, but it's a bit strange as well for, you know, the agencies to be involved in drama making. And secondly, how different is it? जब ISPR की production involved होती है, तो actually technically while filming or shooting, how different is it? Is it more challenging? Do they have more demands? Are they more controlling? मतलब किस तरह, क्या फर्क है?
I don't think in most ways they